The real reason Nordic countries are so happy. In the far north of Europe, where winter nights stretch endlessly and icy winds shape the land, something extraordinary happens every year. The Nordic countries, Finland, Denmark, Norway, Sweden, and Iceland, consistently dominate the list of the happiest nations on Earth. But how can places known for freezing temperatures and months of darkness be home to the happiest people? Today we take a deeper look into the social structure, cultural values, and natural environment that make the Nordic model unique. One of the biggest secrets behind Nordic happiness is trust, a rare resource in many parts of the world. In these countries, people trust their governments, their institutions, and each other. Citizens expect transparency, and corruption levels are among the lowest globally. Public services, from healthcare to education, are not luxuries. They are guaranteed rights. This sense of fairness creates a society where people feel safe and respected. When citizens trust the system, they can focus on living, not surviving. Nordic happiness is not about being rich, it's about having stability. Even people with modest incomes enjoy high-quality public services, affordable housing programs, and job security. The Scandinavian model combines a free market with a robust social safety net. The result: low unemployment, strong middle classes, and fewer financial worries. Money alone doesn't buy happiness, but freedom from financial fear certainly helps. In many parts of the world, work dominates life. But in the Nordic countries, life dominates work. Shorter work weeks, flexible schedules, long paid vacations, and parental leave policies are the norm, not the exception. People are encouraged to rest, recharge, and spend time with their families. Hobbies, outdoor activities, and personal growth are seen as essential, not optional. This balance is a key reason Nordic societies stay mentally healthy and emotionally stable. Despite their modern cities, Nordic people live close to nature. Forests, lakes, fjords, and mountains are an everyday part of life. There's even a cultural concept called friluftsliv, meaning open-air living. Whether it's hiking, skiing, or simply walking in the forest, nature acts as a natural antidepressant. It reduces stress, improves mood, and strengthens community bonds. The environment isn't just scenery, it's therapy. Nordic countries believe that society should protect its people. Unemployment support, affordable childcare, free education, mental health services, universal healthcare. These systems form a safety net that prevents people from falling into despair. When citizens feel supported, they feel valued, and that boosts happiness more than any material luxury. The Nordic lifestyle is built on 3 principles. 1. Humility. Success is celebrated quietly. People respect modesty over showing off. 2. Equality. No one is above anyone else. Class differences exist, but they're minimal. 3. Simplicity. Homes are simple, food is simple, and life is simple. Less stress, more clarity. These cultural values make people feel united, grounded, and emotionally connected. In the Nordic world, education is not just a pathway to a career, it is a lifelong journey. Schools in Finland, Denmark, and Sweden are designed around creativity, not pressure. Students experience less homework, shorter school days, and a learning environment built on trust rather than strict discipline. Teachers are highly respected and well-trained, making education one of the most valued professions. But the Nordic approach doesn't stop at childhood. Adults are encouraged to continue learning throughout their lives. From free university programs to government-supported courses, people can change careers, upgrade their skills, and grow at any age. This culture of continuous learning keeps society innovative, adaptable, and mentally fulfilled. When people feel they are always improving, they naturally feel happier and more confident about the future. So why are Nordic countries the happiest in the world? Because they created societies built on trust, fairness, balance, nature, and community. Maybe happiness isn't a mystery. Maybe it's a system we can learn from. This is Viral North. Subscribe for more mini-documentaries that explore the world's most fascinating stories.
Thank you for watching. This is my first video ever, and I'm still learning editing and improving step by step. Your support, feedback, and suggestions mean a lot. If you enjoyed this documentary, please consider subscribing. It motivates me to create better videos for you.